Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out core for today. Let's move. We will start with something very easy and then adding difficulties as always. Lie down first on your back, relax. From here I want you to start just with your left leg first. Raise your left leg off the ground, keep it straight, and from here we will raise our upper body. Just keep your left leg engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just your upper body, 10, and switch. Right leg straight forward, raise off the ground, and we raise just our upper body. 1, 2, higher, 3, good job, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and release. Inhale deeply once, exhale. We mix it up with scissors, but straight legs forward, up and down. Legs are parallel to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Again, working with left leg and upper body. Left leg goes straight, we are raising our upper body 10 times. Go. 1 and 2, breathe. 3, 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, 10, and switch. Right leg go straight forward, flat back, and we're working just with our upper body. Go. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep your legs straight off the ground. 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale deeply, exhale. One more time, scissors, and we continue. Straight leg forward, flat back, engage your core, low back, and let's start working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Rotate your pelvis from here, raise up your butt off the ground, hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. Let's inhale deeply once, so we continue. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Bring your arms behind your head, raise your head off the ground. We start twisting towards the left side. Bring your left knee towards your elbow and switch. 1 time right, 1 time left. And 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And next one will be straight arms forward, raise your knees 45 degrees, and then one by one keep your arms straight, just legs working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale deeply, exhale. Good job. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground, push from your butt up, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Lower. One more set. Arms behind your head, raise your head off the ground, upper body, and we start working towards the left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, twist, 5, go ahead, 6, 7, good job, 8, 9, 10, 10 more to go. 1, continue, 2, good, 3, 4, 5, good job, 6, 7, keep your back flat, 8, 9, 10, and release. Straight arms up, raise your legs 45 degrees, and we start working only from our legs. Straight legs forward, one by one. Let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Let's inhale deeply. Exhale. One more time. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Okay, slowly. We continue straight legs forward. From here, what I want you to do first, let's activate our lower back. Toes up, arms open towards the side. You push from your lower back. Your butt and legs are not touching the ground, and down. And again, push up. 1, back 10 times. 2, higher. 3, yes. 4, go ahead. 5, engage your glutes. 6, 7, was 8, 9, one more, 10, and back. Release. We mix it up with bend your legs 45 degrees. From here, what I want you to do, raise your butt off the ground. 1, and slowly lower. 2, and back. 3, and back. 4, continue. 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, one more, 10, and release. Exhale. Let's inhale deeply once. Exhale through the mouth. Again, straight legs forward, toes up, legs together. We are pushing up our butt. Push. Nothing is touching the ground right now. And down. 2, and 3, 4, good job. 5, higher. 6, 7, push. 8, push. 9, push. 10, let's hold here. Push and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Bend your legs again. Rotate your pelvis flat lower back. Engage your core, and we start raising our butt off the ground. Bend your legs up as high as possible. 1, breath. 2, good job. 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to not help yourself with your arms too much. 7, only from your lower back. 8, and core. 9, 10, and release. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground, push your lower back up, and just hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Relax. Straight legs forward. From here, one by one. Is your left, up, switch right. 2, Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Higher. 9, 10. And to go more. 1. Go ahead. 2. Keep your legs straight if you can. 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we mix it up with legs together. Get ready to be hard a little bit. Raise your upper body, straight legs, and we bend and stand up and back again. 2, 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale deeply once. Exhale. We continue. Second set. Legs one by one and then push up. Go. Starting from the left one. Straight leg up. 1 and back. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3. Higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And straight legs. Raise your upper body. And we start working up. Bend your legs. Stand up. And 2. Breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Grab your knees. Relax the lower back a little bit. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Moving forward. From here we have plank position. Plank position. Engage, rotate, engage your core, everything. Straight arms. What I want you to do from here is bending your knee forward, and then from here open towards the side. 1 and back. Left leg is not touching the ground, is always off the ground. Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Right leg, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Knees on the ground. Let's inhale deeply. Exhale. One more set of this. Plank position. Rotate, engage. Left leg up, and here we go. Working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Right side and work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push your knee out higher. 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Let's inhale deeply. Exhale. One more time. Let's exhale. Okay, last one, seated, and that's it. From here Keep your legs straight first. What I want you to do is just raise your leg straight up as high as possible, and then back, right and then left. 1, 2, 3, higher. 4, keep your lower back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Second one will be we raise our arms straight up, and then we continue doing same thing. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Open towards the side. Now we will do with rotations. We raise our left leg, we twist towards the left side, touch and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead, some more. 1, high. 2, keep your lower back straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. 9, 10. And release. Good job. Last one. Open your arms towards the palms towards the side. Close a little bit to your body. Don't open them too far away. Point your toes. Let's engage our lower back core and everything. Push our back up and hold this plank position. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Good job. Let's stretch a little bit. Upper facing dog. Let's stretch our core. Point your toes. Feel nice and easy. 3, 2, 1, and back. That's it. Nice one. Not so complicated. I want to give you such workouts where you can like really enjoy it and step by step improve. I'm not sure how many of you are able to do all of these moves, so step by step working on try to share more useful content for you. Comment, subscribe, suggest. Peace. Have a good day.